Yourselves a round of applause. Seriously, you know what? Last week, it was so rainy, we were so scared, pero alam mo, walang 10 ang nagtanong kung tuloy. So sabi namin, tuloy. Walang nagtatanong, lahat sila confirmed. And we have a packed theater today. So let me start off by thanking all of you, our media family, friends, theater people, family, etc. Yes! Kayo pong lahat. Hindi ko na po kayo isa-isahin. Pero bago yan, dahil nagsisettle pa ang ating mga friends and creative team, no? I just want to give a shower out. Shower out. Sabi shower out po. Sa ating mga sponsors na nagbigay ng, lahat po ba may tote bag? Papagalitan po natin yung front of house pag wala. Ito po ating tote bag. Meron din po dito stickers. Ayun po, kailangan po natin mag-unboxing live. May stickers po dito. This is a special sticker pack. Meron din tayo keychain from SG Advertising. Itong magagandang print sa labas. Sana makikitab. Thank you, SG Advertising. Nag-install sila kahit umuulan. Opo. Yes, at meron din tayo linya shirts na yung linya-linya. Also for braving the rain and sending over our shirts. Eto na. Meron po rin kayo nito sa inyong mga press kit. Mentholatum Acne's Lip Care and Lip Balm. Huwag po kayo mag-alala. This is color safe. So kahit mga boys, pwede niyo po itong gamitin. Yes, po yan. So on and so forth. And you also have, and then you also have a copy of this one. You can scan this for our press kit this afternoon. Ayan. Ayun. So hindi na kailangan mag-stretch. Again, maraming salamat Memory Cafe for our delicious food, tusok-tusok. At saka ating ice cream cart doon sa labas. Dito na yung iba kong pasasalamat dahil we will get this party started. So for this portion, lahat po ay imbitadong mag-stay, mag-interact. But since this is, ano pong nakalagay? Press conference. Opo. Ang ating mga members of the media who are our VIPs, ito po yung mga, may pink stickers na nandoon po sa ating VIP area. Kaway-kaway, mga media family. And the first 2 seats here, ibibigay po natin ang pagkakataong ito. Sila po ang magtanong sa ating cast. Later, our cast can join the rest of you outside for some selfies, chika-chika. But until then, let's reserve this portion for the members of the press. So without further ado, we will start the questions. Ay, hindi pa pala without further ado. Meron po pala akong announcer. Miss Jolina. Ayan. Si Miss Jolina